Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Canva Pro account for free. For this, all you need is a student email ID, so it must end with .edu. And if you have an email ID like this, then these steps will work for you. So without wasting more time, let's start the video. The first thing you have to do is just go to your browser, and after that you have to go to this canva.com. And now we have reached Canva, and on top you will find an option called education. Just tap on this education, the drop down, and then you will find some options here. You have to tap on this teachers and schools. So simply tap on it. Then over here under teachers, just click on get verified. So I'll click on it, and now you will have to log in with your student email ID, the one that ends with .edu. And after you done this, you will get your Canva Pro for free. And after this, you can see this banner says welcome to Canva for education, and below this they have written that we have unlocked all the premium features. So let's quickly check. I'll click on let's go, and over here select any option that you want and click on all done. Now it's all set up and we have Canva Pro. So I'll quickly show to you. Let's say I want to create a thumbnail. I'll click on create a design. Then over here just enter thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and here you can see we have access to everything. So normally under elements, some of these options will have the pro symbol. That means it's only for pro users. But over here, as you can see, we have access to everything. So this is basically how it works. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.